Crash Course, Coffee Culture in Colombia. An in-depth look at one of the country's most famous exports. Introduction. Colombia is renowned for its exceptional coffee, which has earned a global reputation for its quality and flavor. The country's unique geography, rich volcanic soil, and ideal climate create the perfect conditions for cultivating some of the world's finest coffee beans. Coffee is deeply ingrained in Colombian culture, shaping the nation's history, economy, and social fabric. In this crash course, we will delve into the captivating world of Colombian coffee culture, exploring its origins, traditions, and significance. Get ready for a journey through the aromatic landscapes of Colombia's coffee regions. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The legend of Juan Valdez. Juan Valdez is an iconic figure representing Colombian coffee. Introduced in the 1950s as a marketing campaign by the National Federation of Coffee Growers of Colombia, Juan Valdez is depicted as a Colombian coffee farmer with his trusted mule, Conchita. This symbol of authenticity and quality has become synonymous with Colombian coffee worldwide. 2. The coffee cultural landscape. The coffee cultural landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to Colombia's rich coffee heritage. This region encompasses coffee farms, charming towns, and scenic landscapes, offering visitors an immersive experience in Colombian coffee culture. It is a living museum of coffee production and an opportunity to explore the history, traditions, and flavors that make Colombian coffee unique. 3. Coffee farm tours. In Colombia, you can embark on coffee farm tours to witness the entire coffee production process firsthand. From picking ripe coffee cherries to processing, drying, and roasting, these tours offer a comprehensive understanding of the coffee-making journey. Visitors can also participate in coffee tasting sessions, known as cupping, to savor the diverse flavors and aromas of Colombian coffee. 4. Sustainable coffee practices. Colombia is a leader in promoting sustainable coffee practices. Many coffee farms in the country prioritize environmental conservation, fair trade, and social responsibility. By supporting Colombian coffee, consumers contribute to the well-being of local communities and the preservation of the country's natural resources. Top 12 Coffee Culture in Colombia. 1. Eje Cafetero, Coffee Axis. The coffee axis, located in the central part of Colombia, is the heart of the country's coffee production. It includes the departments of Caldas, Quindío, and Risaralda, where you can explore picturesque coffee farms, visit coffee-themed parks, and immerse yourself in the captivating coffee culture. 2. Hacienda Venecia. Hacienda Venecia, located near Manizales, is a renowned coffee farm that offers visitors an authentic coffee experience. Here, you can learn about the coffee production process, participate in tastings, and enjoy the breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. 3. National Coffee Park. The National Coffee Park, located in the Coffee Axis, is an amusement park dedicated to Colombia's coffee heritage. It combines entertainment with education, allowing visitors to learn about coffee cultivation, enjoy thrilling rides, and experience traditional Colombian culture. 4. Salento. Salento is a charming town in the Quindío department, surrounded by lush coffee plantations. It serves as a gateway to the Cocora Valley, famous for its towering wax palm trees and stunning landscapes. Visitors can explore coffee farms, hike through coffee fields, and soak in the tranquil beauty of the region. 5. Café San Alberto. Café San Alberto is a renowned coffee brand that showcases the art of specialty coffee production. Located in Quindío, their farm offers guided tours, tastings, and workshops, allowing visitors to discover the intricacies of coffee production and indulge in exquisite flavors. 6. Finca El Ocaso. Finca El Ocaso, situated in the Coffee Axis, is a family-owned coffee farm that provides an immersive coffee experience. Visitors can take a guided tour to learn about the cultivation and processing methods, enjoy panoramic views, and savor the distinct flavors of their specialty coffee. 7. Parque del Café. Parque del Café is another popular theme park dedicated to coffee in Colombia. Located in Quindío, it offers a range of attractions, including coffee-themed rides, cultural shows, and interactive exhibits, providing entertainment for the whole family while celebrating Colombia's coffee heritage. 8. Manizales. Manizales, the capital of the Caldas department, is a vibrant city known for its coffee culture. It hosts the annual National Coffee Festival, where visitors can participate in coffee competitions, exhibitions, and cultural events, immersing themselves in the vibrant atmosphere of Colombia's coffee culture. 9. Senecaf. Senecaf, the National Coffee Research Center, is located in Conchita, Caldas. It is a leading institution dedicated to scientific research and innovation in coffee cultivation. Visitors can learn about the latest advancements in coffee production, discover experimental coffee varieties, and gain insights into sustainable farming practices. 10. Santa Marta. Santa Marta, a coastal city in northern Colombia, offers a unique coffee experience due to its proximity to the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, the world's highest coastal mountain range. Visitors can explore coffee farms nestled in the mountains, learn about the coffee making process, and enjoy breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. 11. Coffee tastings in Bogotá. While not a coffee-producing region, Bogotá is a vibrant city that boasts a thriving coffee scene. Numerous coffee shops and specialty coffee houses offer coffee tastings, allowing visitors to sample a variety of Colombian coffee beans and discover the nuances of different brewing methods. 12. Coffee museums. Throughout Colombia, you can find coffee museums dedicated to preserving and sharing the country's coffee heritage. These museums provide historical insights into the coffee industry, showcase antique coffee making equipment, and offer interactive exhibits that engage visitors in the world of Colombian coffee. Summarization. Colombia's coffee culture is a fascinating world of rich flavors, captivating stories, and breathtaking landscapes. From the picturesque coffee axis to the bustling streets of Bogotá, Colombia offers a diverse range of experiences for coffee enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. By exploring the country's coffee regions, visiting coffee farms, and savoring the exquisite flavors of Colombian coffee, you embark on a sensory journey through the heart and soul of Colombia's coffee culture. Poem. In the mountains of Colombia, where coffee beans grow. A culture so rich, it overflows. From Juan Valdez to Hacienda Venecia's charm. The aroma of coffee, it can disarm. Fields of green, under the sun's golden rays. Coffee cherries ripe, ready to amaze. Farmers toil with love and care. Nurturing the beans, so flavorful and rare. Cascading landscapes, where coffee is king. A world of traditions that make hearts sing. From the coffee axis to Santa Marta's coast. Colombian coffee culture, we toast. Song. Verse 1. In the land of coffee, where the mountains touch the sky. Colombia's flavors, they make your spirits fly. From Eje Cafetero to Salento's embrace. The magic of Colombian coffee, it leaves no trace. Chorus. Oh, Colombia, your coffee culture divine. The taste of richness, like a sweet red wine. From farm to cup, the journey we embark. Colombian coffee, igniting a spark. Verse 2. At Hacienda Venecia, the story unfolds. With every sip, a tale of passion it holds. Parque del Café, where joy and coffee blend. A symphony of flavors, a journey without end. Bridge. Through the coffee cultural landscape we roam. Exploring coffee's secrets, finding a new home. From Manizales to Bogotá's city beat. Coffee's rhythm, it moves our feet. Chorus. Oh, Colombia, your coffee culture divine. The taste of richness, like a sweet red wine. From farm to cup, the journey we embark. Colombian coffee, igniting a spark. Outro. As the sun rises over Colombia's hills. The aroma of coffee, it gives us chills. Thank you, Colombia, for the gift you bring. A coffee culture that makes our hearts sing. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.